Hey there, cool cats. Are you ready to continue exploring chord-based intervals? Well, if you are, then you are 100% in the right place because we're going to continue talking about these intervals. Last time we talked about unisons and octaves. Now we're going to talk about seconds, thirds, fourths, and fifths. Hey, cool cat. This was another one of those videos I wasn't able to complete because of the family emergency and death in my family. I hope that you have a mentally healthy rest of your day, and I hope to complete this video sometime in the future. For now, keep practicing and keep watching those videos from the past, and get ready for the next video upload. Like sitting on the iPad? Okay. You like the iPad? Is it your favorite place to sit? Hmm? It's just, is it your box? Is it your box now? Your new little box? You're like, I'm just done with this. And you hear sounds.